How does this secret strategy can make you $50 a day with CPA marketing? Who doesn't love making easy money? So much so that today it is the only preferred and desired way of making a fortune. The millennials of our generation had bid goodbye to the days where physical strength and hard labor were used to make money. So naturally, more and more ways have been discovered through which we can do it, especially from the comfort of our homes. One such way is through selling products or commodities online. It has evolved to become a means for your business to catch up with a virtually boundless audience or consumer base, thus providing you with free exposure and improving your business scope. So in today's video, we brought you a secret strategy that will easily help you make $50 a day with CPA marketing. Keep watching the video till the end to find out about it. Even though selling money online makes your business reach new heights without you physically having to do much, you must be careful about selecting the right leads and revamping them for your consumers. However, without the correct means, this isn't perpetually easy. This is why we have CPA marketing. You might be unfamiliar with the term if you're new to this, but don't worry, we'll explain what CPA is and why you should use it before diving into the secret strategy of how you can use it to make money on autopilot. What is CPA? CPA marketing stands for Cost Per Action Marketing. It is a kind of affiliate marketing utilized by industries and businesses to gauge their marketing undertakings and attain a wider audience. There are several significant windfalls of CPA marketing, such as its relatively low risk. You don't need to spend for traffic that does not revamp as you reimburse after the deal. It delivers a high return on investment. The next question arises, how does it help you make money? It partners with a blogger, publisher, or influencer who promotes or endorses your products in barter for a commission payment. The associate secures a commission when a consumer buys a product through the marketing effort of the affiliate, which is generally traced by a specified link. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Presume the affiliate might exhibit an advertisement on their website, post a review or a video on social media platforms promoting the advertiser's product. Unlike various kinds of digital marketing moves like CPC or cost per click, where you have to spend your money to promote your brand or product without any assurance of a sale, CPA marketing merely expects you to spend your money after the sale transpires. It doesn't end there. By chance, if the buyer requests a refund after they returned your product, you can even regain any payouts you've made to the publisher. Isn't that truly great? As we said, CPA marketing is indeed cost-effective. Here are two secret proven strategies that we're going to tell you guys so you can easily use them to earn $50 every day with CPA marketing. Our first strategy is using the CPA Grip Affiliate Network. So, what exactly is the CPA Grip Affiliate Network? CPA Grip is a leading affiliate marketing platform with CPA or cost per action. In addition, you can use tools like Content Locker, Video Locker, and File Locker to monetize your website traffic. Since 2013, CPA Grip has had an impressive track record of success and publisher satisfaction. Over 2,000 global incentive offers are available to help you make money from your website traffic or social media accounts. What are some key benefits of CPA Grip? Firstly, PayPal's global payment system, ACH Direct Deposit, wire transfer, and Payoneer's exclusive monetization tools. In addition, it has top converting incentive offers in the industry, an innovative, cutting-edge tracking system, and performance reports that are updated regularly. So there is an outstanding support manager and a mobile-optimized advanced content unlocking engine. How to become a member of the CPA Grip Affiliate Network? To earn money with the CPA Grip Affiliate Network, you must first create a publisher account on the network. Register on CPA Grip. Fill in all of the required fields on the registration form now. After completing the form, click the Register Now button to submit it. Account approval and a successful registration message will now be sent to your email address. You will also receive an email confirmation message to your email address. Simply click on the confirmation link to activate your CPA Grip Publisher account. Want to convert your website visitors into real money and earn a substantial monthly income through the CPA Affiliate Network? Making money from their websites is a goal for every blogger. However, some bloggers need help with how to monetize their blogs. They are also receiving high-quality traffic to their website. How to make money with CPA Grip's monetization tools. So this is the final step in getting started with the CPA Grip Affiliate Network. You can earn $50 per day by using CPA Grip monetization tools. You can also increase your earnings month after month. Log into your CPA Grip Publisher dashboard to access these monetization tools. Then on your dashboard, navigate to the Monetization Tools tab. There are 4 types of monetization tools available here: Content Locker, URL or File Locker, Video Locker, and Offer Wall are all available. Content Locker allows you to secure your website's content. For example, you can restrict access to your website's pages or posts to monetize page traffic. URL or File Locker allows you to encrypt URLs and files. Video Locker is a tool for locking videos and monetizing video traffic. Offer Wall will generate an offer wall for you. In addition, you can monetize your website traffic by creating a separate offer page. Make a content locker to protect your content. You occasionally provide advanced content to your users. Users, however, need to pay more attention to paying you. As a result, this content locker will be extremely beneficial to you. This content locker will be beneficial to both you and your users. Users are not required to pay. Instead, they must complete a survey or sign up for a giveaway to access this content. Now, it's time to reveal our second strategy. This strategy is linked to our first one in some terms, so it's even better for you to understand. You just have to follow these simple steps to use PLR to make money with the help of CPA Grip. The first step is to download PLR. To begin, you must download PLR products. Visit the website freeplrdownloads.com. There are numerous categories of free PLR products available here. Download PLR products related to affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, or making money online now. Secondly, upload PLR to Google Drive. At this point, you must upload your PLR PDF to Google Drive. Then manage your shareable link. Thirdly, make a link locker. You must now create an account on CPA Grip. File if you already have an account. Then navigate to the offer monetization section and select the link locker. Then you must secure your Google Drive link, where you can upload the PDF you downloaded. You've unlocked this PDF, and anyone who wants it must first complete the CPA Grip survey. If they finish this survey, you can earn CPA profits from CPA Grip. Next, traffic. It's the most important part. The main key is traffic. You've now shared the CPA Grip protected link. First, you must construct a lander. Why? Because you cannot share any CPA affiliated link directly. Your link will then be flagged. As a result, you must construct a lander. Don't be concerned, it's simple. To create your landing page, go to Google Sites, Blogger, Medium, Reddit, or Google Docs. Simply begin your method in the first paragraph or more. Then include a call to action and get full access at your CPA Grip affiliate link. Now, go to Facebook, look for affiliate marketing, and make money online. Then join them there. After joining, you must make posts or send direct messages to those who react to and comment on other people's posts. They are intent on making money. That's it for today, but we'll be back soon with more amazing videos like this, so stay tuned. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Till then, thanks for watching!